What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use cheat codes to be able to make PayPal money online in 2020. This is going to be an awesome video if you want to basically use a cheat code to make some quick money. Now, if you ever remember playing video games back in the day, you can go to like these websites where you download or you just copy this code, you enter into your console, and then you basically skip to the last level. So this is basically the same thing, okay? Now, this method is awesome for making some quick money online. Obviously, it's not like a passive method. You'd have to trade some time for money, but it's a great way to make money and start building income so you can start putting it into a passive income. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya. I teach people how to make money online with passive income, but I do teach you a ton of methods to make quick money. Like for example, like this video here, I'm going to show you how to do that. But the main goal of this channel is to help you make money online passively. But let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so the website we're going to use is prizerebel.com. Okay. And you can see here the recent rewards. Michael C. Just claimed a custom amount, which I'm going to show you how you can claim your custom amount. And then Corey has just claimed $10. Tyrone $5. You can see here Way $5. Sealman $5. So you can see people are claiming the PayPal money. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to you can actually claim these right here, but you can also claim a custom amount, which is pretty cool. Okay, so basically you go to prizerebel.com. Obviously, sign up. I think you get a bonus if you sign up with like your Facebook and stuff like that. But I'm going to go through the whole website, show you how it works and how you can make some extra money. Okay. So, all right. So that is that. Let me show you how to do the PayPal custom amount. So if you go to gift cards and go to PayPal, you can go to custom amount. Now, the cool thing is you can enter here exactly how much you want to make. So for example, if you want to make $50, you can see here you need 5,000 points. All right. Now I'm going to show you how to get these points very quickly, but what's cool about the custom amount is now you know exactly how many points you need to be able to make that money. So let's just say you need $100 that week, right? Or let's just say you want to start a business, a passive income business, and you need $100 to start. Well, people always come to me and say, Jonathan, I want to start an online business, but I don't have any money to get started. So I'm like, okay, well, go to prizerebel.com, and how much do you need? Let's just say $10, all right? So let's just say you need $10. You need 1,000 points, all right? So guys, always ask. Don't ever ask, I can't afford it. Okay, that's bad to say. You don't want to say that. You want to say, how can I afford it? So I'm giving you a vehicle to be able to do that. Okay, whether it's buying something you want to buy and you don't have the money, or in this case, obviously I teach people how to make money online with a passive income system. All right. So let's just say you need $10. Okay. And you can put in here, I need $10, or say you need $100, whatever it is. Now you have a goal, right? So you want to ask yourself, how can I make that money? Not, I don't have that money, right? So just kind of a shift in mindset there. But anyways, let's continue with the video. All right. So now that you have that PayPal custom amount, you have the goal. So now you have a goal of 10,000 points, right? So now that you have that goal, you can say, all right, so how do I reach that goal? Let me show you how to do that. All right. So if you go to, let's see here, I believe. Okay, so yeah, also when you log into your account, you're also going to have these extra things you can do. All right, so you can basically like their Facebook page. You can do these surveys. It's kind of like stuff you can do to get extra points. All right. Now this is what I want to show you. This is the cool part here. Okay, so if you go to the bottom here, you can go to redeem a code. So this is what I was talking about entering cheat codes. Okay, so there's promo codes and you can get like anywhere between like 50 to like 200 points, sometimes 1,000. But what you got to do is you got to go to their Facebook page and like their page. Okay, so go to the Facebook page. You don't have to do this, but I do this that way you can see when they post the new code. And for example here, it's promo time, redeem right here at prizerebel.com. So you would go here, you copy that, and you would simply go back and you would enter that code here. Okay. So you would enter that code here, you would get your reward, and basically that's it. Okay. And that's how you do that. So you can, I think they post stuff like every few days. So they're constantly doing that. And sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. So you can see here, December 15th, they had a code here, and then here's a sign up bonus. So not that one. Let me see if they have another one. Let me see here. It's promo time. So 5 days ago, or no, yeah, 3 days ago. Let's see what else they have here. promo time. So guys, they're posting promos all the time, okay? And people, they have their top fans. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, you can literally like just wait for them to post. I think you could even turn on notifications for them. Let me see if you can do that. So if you go here and I'm not sure. I believe you can turn on notifications though, where basically, oh yeah, follow. So you can go follow and basically you can say, I want to see their post first, meaning, when they do post, you're the first one to get that promo code. Okay. So you can definitely do that. Now that is, this video is all about the promo codes, right? Because I want to show you how to use cheat codes to be able to make that quick money. Now there's also other ways you can make that money. So remember, let's just say we want to make $100. Okay. We want 10,000 points. So remember the question. What do we have to do to get there? Okay, not I can't afford it. I don't have $100, but what can I do to do that? All right, and this is a great vehicle to do it because it's literally free. Anyone can do it from their phone, right? So what you can do is you can go earn, and I'm going to show you the offer walls real quick. This is a good way to do it. Sometimes you do have to buy something in here. I think sometimes it's a free trial. So what I used to do back in the day, this was when I was like 17, 18 years old. I would basically go in to websites like this and do all the surveys and, just cancel the free trial before I got charged. So I would get a ton of points because if you do the offers, it's actually worth a lot. So I like to go to no cost, so that way you could get some quick points. So, sign up for, because markets say, there's a free trial. All these free trials you can basically sign up for. Now you got to be careful because obviously you do have to enter a credit card. And I'm not saying be careful because you can lose your credit card info. I'm saying, if you sign up for all these free trials, you got to remember that you have to cancel them before the end of the free trial or else you will get charged, right? So I used to do that. I was like, okay, so, back in the day, I was like, for me, I wanted to buy, certain things, right? So, for me, I was like, okay, well, I want $1,000. So I need 100,000 points. What do I have to do to get there? So I would go here. The offers, you're going to get the most points. Okay. So I would go here and sign up for all these offers. Okay. I would literally sign up for all these offers and then I would simply cancel it right after. Okay. So the offers are going to give you the most points. As you can see here, 100 points, 100, I think somewhere like 500. So I like the no cost because you don't have to buy anything. You can also do app installs, which is really easy to do. You can go in here and, there's only a few of these, but you can definitely do app installs. That's super easy. You don't have to buy anything, obviously. So you can do that. And then you can also do some info submissions. These are kind of like surveys, but you can definitely do that. These will give you the most points. Now, if you want something a little bit more passive, you can go here and go to videos, earn videos. And basically you can watch videos, okay? Super, super easy. Now, you're not going to get paid as much because obviously you're just watching a video. But, these add up. They definitely add up and you can definitely make some money with this. So what I recommend is doing the offers because you're going to make the most money. Actually, the most money you're going to make is actually the free promos. But, those aren't every day, right? So if you want to be a little more active based on your goal here, remember, you can set your goal to whatever you want. I would recommend, doing the offers and then you're going to get a lot more points that way. Okay. So yeah, that's basically how you would make money online with cheat codes. All right. But, if you want to supplement that, do the offers, watch the videos and you're going to make money. Okay. So that's basically what I recommend, for making money online with PayPal. I love PayPal because you can take that money and you can reinvest it into a system that pays you, right? So let me show you a system that I have been working with for the past 4 months. It's called Legendary Marketer, and basically with Legendary Marketer, it's a passive income system. So I drive people to that system and they do all the selling and telling for me. So I don't have to worry about I don't have to worry about creating a product. I don't have to worry about doing customer support, anything like that. So let me just show you a quick screenshot of what I've been able to do in the last 4 months. And guys, I'm a beginner. So I just started this program and I've made some pretty good money. So if you can see here, if we can go commissions, let me show you what I have done in the past few days. Okay. So yesterday I did $483. In the past 4 months, I've done almost $15,000. Okay. It's about, usually around 4 o'clock, when I shoot this video. So nothing today, but you can see here, I've made some pretty good money, right? So, yeah. I mean, this is an awesome system to get started with, because now it's a passive income system that you don't have to trade time for money with like a system like this. Okay, this is trading time for money, which is pretty much a job, right? But I teach passive income, so if you guys want to get into a system like this where you can just put some money into it and then create a system where it makes you more money, like while you're traveling and while you're hanging out with your family and stuff like that, this is what I recommend. This is my #1 recommendations to make money online. Okay, so if you are interested, it's going to be the first link in the description below. And guys, I've done pretty well with this company. Okay, so if you go to leaderboards, I'm one of the top affiliates at the moment. Okay, so if we go here, you can see in the past 30 days, I'm 7th. Okay, which is pretty cool. And now I'm a beginner. So what I'm saying is, yes, it's not a crazy amount of money, but what I'm saying is I just started this system and now I'm already making some pretty good money, right? So if we go to ranking, I am actually a gold affiliate. Okay, so there's like platinum, which is you made over 100,000. Diamond means you made over 1 million, and gold means you made over 10,000, right? So which is where I'm at right now. Okay, so anyways, that is the #1 recommendations to make money online, and that's the first link in the description below. It honestly not that much to start. It's literally like $7 to start. So if you wanted to do that, if you didn't have the money, people always say I don't have the money. Well, guys, that's not a good question to ask. I don't have the money is a really bad question. Your mindset is not. That's just not a good mindset. Okay, so if you need $7. Go here, you need 700 points. So now you know what you have to do to get there, right? So anyways, hopefully this video was of value to you guys. I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to my channel. I have a ton of videos on how to make money online, blowing up your YouTube, how to make passive income, affiliate marketing. That's what my channel's about, guys. So if you are interested in learning more, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment if you have any questions. I hope you got a ton of value from this video, and I'll talk to you soon.